Ever tried cooking a 5-course meal while your shoes feel like tiny anvils strapped to your feet? Yeah, not fun. That's exactly why I had to try Mise Footwear, because apparently even chefs deserve shoes that don't make them question life every time they step in the kitchen. Stick around because I'm spilling my honest thoughts on these shoes. And spoiler alert, they might just make you want to run to the kitchen, literally. So here's the deal, Mise isn't just another shoe brand. These folks are creatives who actually understand what it's like to be on your feet for hours, juggling pans, knives, and occasionally a rogue meatball. They designed these shoes like a chef crafts a signature dish. Attention to detail, comfort, and style all in one. And trust me, they don't just look good. Every stitch, sole, and contour feels like it was made to survive the chaos of a busy kitchen. First off, comfort. These shoes feel like your favorite sneakers but with a kitchen-proof twist. You've got a non-slip sole that actually works, cushioning that lets you stand all day without wondering if your feet will mutiny, and a breathable design so your toes don't start their own sauna. I wore these through a full day of cooking, plating, and dodging hot oil. And honestly, no blisters, no slipping, no excuses. Plus, they stand behind their work with a limited lifetime warranty, which is basically the company saying, we know you'll abuse them, but we've got your back. Beyond the shoes, what really sold me is their heart. Mice supports the Southern Smoke Foundation, giving back to the culinary community. That means a portion of every shoe sold goes to help workers in the food industry, whether it's rent, groceries, or mental health support. So when you slip these on, you're not just getting comfort, you're helping take care of the people who feed the world. So do my shoes actually deliver? From my experience, absolutely. They're smart, comfy, and surprisingly stylish for the chaos of a kitchen. If you're on your feet all day and want shoes that finally get it, mice might just be your new best friend. Step carefully but step confidently. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.